Hello, everybody, and greetings from Integra, Canadian Immigration Services. We're here to help you reach your immigration goals for Canada. So this video is about the parents and grandparents Supervisa. And of course, come visit our website at integraimmigration.com for more details and also just to contact us with your questions. So a very important question to ask is, of course, what is this parent and grandparent Supervisa? Okay, so this is a temporary resident visa that's available to both your parents and your grandparents if you are a Canadian citizen or permanent resident. And this is a lot better than a simple visitor's visa for a few reasons that we'll go over in a second here. So it's valid up to 10 years, which is amazing. And they can stay in Canada for up to 2 years at a time without having to renew the visa. In some places, for some countries, people don't actually need a visa to enter Canada, but the Supervisa can still be useful just for the simple fact that the parent or grandparent can stay in Canada for more than the regular 6-month period. If your parents or grandparents come with a simple visitor's visa, they'll have to leave before the 6-month period is up and return, and of course extend as well. Okay, so for dependents, it doesn't include dependents though. So it would be for, let's say, both your parents, your mother and your father, but the mother and father can't bring kids. They can't bring your brothers and sisters or grandkids or anything like that, right? It's only for your parents and grandparents. Okay, well, the requirements are pretty simple, really. You have to be either the parent or the grandparent of a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident of Canada. You have to be allowed to enter Canada, so that means, of course, you don't meet any of the inadmissibility criteria. Okay, and of course, you have to have ties to your home country. So what they really need to prove is that they're going to return to their country afterwards and not just stay in Canada forever. They would have to describe, of course, the purpose of the visit. They have to show their finances and the family, and that the country that they're leaving is politically stable and economically stable, of course, and a simple invitation from the son or daughter or grandson, granddaughter in Canada. Okay, there are a few more as well. So the child or grandchild has to promise to financially support the parent or grandparent as well. They have to do this through proof of a minimum income, and the parent or grandparent would need to have Canadian medical insurance for at least 1 year. So that's not medical insurance from a different country. That is Canadian medical insurance for 1 year. And also they would require a medical examination before entering. All right, the LICO, the low income cutoff, is really important to know. So with this one here, it shows the necessary income for the family size unit. It's also important to know that this includes the parent or grandparent that the family wants to sponsor. So let's say it's a family, let's say Michael and his wife Pamela, and they have 2 kids, so that makes 4 total right now, and they want to sponsor Michael's mother to come live with them on a Supervisa. So that would mean they would have to prove $49,000, $839 as the minimum necessary income that they make per year. And that is at 5 people, because you have to include the parent or grandparent. All right, this will be reviewed every year. So if Michael loses his job, if something happens, there might be an issue. Okay, and since 2014, obviously the parent-grandparent program has changed quite a bit. So the government issues 5,000 Supervisas per year. All right, so that was just a little introduction of the parent-grandparent Supervisa program. If you are here in Canada and you want to sponsor your parents or your grandparents to come visit with you for an extended period of time, send us an email and we'll help you out. Okay, so again, from myself and Lisette, thank you for watching and thank you for your interest. We'll wait for your email at info@integraimmigration.com, and we look forward to helping you reach your immigration goals.